Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube, and my name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use this particular small item from Ikea. This item is basically a tea infuser, I can say. The name itself is tea infuser. Let me see the name. The product information, the product name is different. Basically the product name is Idealisk. So the name itself is Idealisk, and the product type is tea infuser. So the length is 15 centimeter, guys, and it is made in China, and the importer is Ikea. Most of the Ikea products are made in China, but it has a good quality products, and the price comparatively price is also very cheaper, so that we can afford these items and it is useful for our livelihoods or daily usage maybe. And about the price, I can say in Indian currency I got it for 99 rupees, around $100 rupees. 100 rupees in US dollar, it is around $1.3. In US you will definitely get it in $1, max $1 maybe, and the price is around $2 it has mentioned, but you will get it in $1. So the usefulness of this is basically, guys, you don't need to mix up your tea and milk whenever you are making tea. So tea infuser may be helpful for guys who all are using green tea, or who all are trying to make maybe yellow tea or maybe black tea, whoever, as per your choice. It is definitely helpful whenever you don't want to mix your milk and tea. Okay, sometimes people usually mix milk and tea maybe to get a different aroma, or it will be mixed, but it will be definitely separated. So you don't need to again use some variety of maybe a filter or something to extract the tea herbs, but here it is not the case. You just need to put the tea herbs inside this particular net, and then it will be everything will be taken care. You don't need to worry about it. So in most of the cases I saw videos on how to open this particular item. So people may not be aware of how to open this item and how to use this item. So this video is how to open it, and you'll find another video how to use this along with the milk. I will show a demo of using this particular item along with the milk, and you will be able to see how usefulness it is. So let me quickly open it, guys, for you guys. So as I mentioned, I purchased it from Ikea, 99 rupees. And if you are from India and if you want the product to be delivered at your home, I'll definitely suggest you to send me an email. I will try my best to deliver it at your home place. So opening, see, it is not at all opening, right? So guys, so what the best way is to press this from here. So see, guys, it is the option. You don't need to do, people usually try to take it out. So let me quickly tear this as well. So guys, opening it is quite easy. You need to apply some pressure on the both side. Just apply the pressure on over here, so it will be open. See, okay, and you don't need to pull it. You need to apply pressure here. Okay, first of all you need to keep it on the straight direction, apply some pressure, put the tea herbs over here, cover it, and then dip it on the milk. So I hope it is helpful, and I am able to show you how to open this particular item, and an unboxing of this as well. If you like this video, guys, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for further updates, and please press the bell icon if you want other videos also to be notified. Thanks, guys, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.